Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the X stitch. This is a really nice stitch to make. Can be a bit tricky to get used to where your stitch placement is, but it's well worth the effort and creates a beautiful finish. So to start this stitch you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 2 plus 2 for your turning chain.
So to start our X stitch, I want our turning chain to count as the first stitch of the row, so I've gone ahead and marked the first chain. And then in the fifth chain from a hook, we're going to make a double crochet. Okay, so turning chain counts as the first stitch, but we're working the fifth chain because the chain before we made the double crochet is going to count as a skip stitch. Okay. So after we made our double crochet, we need to go back and work in that skip chain. And this is how we're going to make our X stitch. Yarn over, working behind the double crochet you just made, bring your hook in front, and then work your hook into the front of the chain. So you're working behind the double crochet, but inserting your hook into the front of the chain, and then make a double crochet. So you've got these two double crochet. Your original one, your first one, is in front, and the second one you just made 6 behind. Just like that. So we've used this stitch, we're going to skip the next chain, and in the next one make a double crochet. And then we're going to make another X stitch working behind the double crochet we just made. You're going into that skip stitch, which is here, and you want to push your hook in front, from front to back, and then make a double crochet. So the X stitch has two parts, the stitch in front, the stitch in behind, and we're always going to make the stitch in front first. So there's the chain we made our first double crochet of the X stitch, skip the next chain, make a double crochet in the next one, and then we're going to go back to that skip stitch right there, yarn over, push your hook behind the first stitch but into the front of the chain from front to back, and make a double crochet. So we work into every single stitch, you work into every single skip stitch, always working behind that first double crochet. So when you get to the end of your row, you'll have one stitch left, and you're going to make a double crochet into that chain. Okay, so that's row 1. Row 2, we're going to turn, and we're going to make a double crochet turning chain in that first stitch. Pop a stitch marker in. Now we want to offset our X stitches, so we're going to make a double crochet in the next stitch. Now we're going to skip a stitch and make a double crochet in the next stitch, and as we did before, we're going to make an X stitch in the skipped one. So working behind your previous double crochet, working into both loops, push your hook from front to back and make a double crochet. Skip the next stitch and then make a double crochet. And then as before, working from front to back, you're going behind the original double crochet. Okay, push your hook through the loops, both loops of the skip stitch, and make a double crochet. So you're working them exact same way as you did before. So you do that all the way to the end of your row, and when you have 2 stitches left, you're going to make a double crochet in both of the last 2 stitches. Just regular double crochets. So we want to start and end every row with a double crochet. Row 3, turn, chain 1. Make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch. Okay, like that. And we're going to be essentially it's a repeat of row 1. So we're only making a double crochet turning chain before we start making our X stitches. So skip the next stitch, make a double crochet in the next one, and then working behind that double crochet, make an X stitch in the skip stitch, working the same way as before. Okay, so it's like that. Skip the next stitch, make a double crochet, and then working behind, we will make a double crochet in the next one. Work behind, but insert your hook into front to back of those loops of the skip stitch and make a double crochet. And you repeat that across the row. Okay, and you're going to repeat that until you have 1 stitch left. So working behind into both of those skip loops, you just push the previous stitch forward so you can get working into it. And then when you get to the last stitch of the row, make a double crochet. See? And you see how those stitches just line up? The ones that are pushed in front just make this diagonal pattern all the way across the fabric. So to keep working on the X stitch, you're going to be repeating rows 2 and 3.
And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the X stitch. I would love to see what you make with this stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbons and Stitch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well, for more crochet stitches, crochet patterns and hints and tips as well. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.